Feliz Valentine. That's Happy Valentine's Day in Spanish. Today we are going to make hot chocolates. Dun, 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 dun. So we have the chocolate melties, some Smarties, and a spoon. And we have the chocolates. And we have the heart thing. So we already put the chocolate in. So we are going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute each. Well, for 4 minutes, and then we'll stop it to one. But first, let me show you my holes. This is what I call Halloween. And this is what I call Africa. Carlo. Wee, like you're driving a car. And you go a lot. Let's go to them. What other tricks do you have, Aiden? I call this one the undertow. That's a good name. And I call this one, these are my special ones, hang on.
Airi, go check on the chocolate.
Okay. And if you want to see some more of my cool tricks that I can do, you can check it out on my Instagram. So now the chocolates are done, so it's time for us to mix it up. You'll mix it up until it's all like this. So we have the milk sugar, but we're not going to use it because we already used it. So we're going to keep on mixing and put some of the chocolate in here. Oh, wait. So we mixed it. He mixed it all together. So now we're going to put it in and put the Smarties on. Now we're going to put the Smarties in first and then the chocolate. So we'll put Smarties in each one if we have enough. The ones that we have the Smarties, that would be the ones that we would make, yeah. So we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We're gonna make 15. I know it's 6, but this is 15 because I win. We're almost finished, so do you think if you would make 15, comment down below. There we go. If you got it right, we're making 15. So now we're just going to do the last stir. It looks like slime glue. So now we're going to put it in each heart. Comment down below what do you think the hearts are going to turn out looking like. No, the batter? I don't know what is it. The hearts look like when we're making it. Cause I think the frosting of buttery warm butter cake. Guys, if you try to do this at home, comment down below and link us in your video. That says Airi and Aiden show did this video. Oh, and we're gonna make a song. So if you guys are enjoying this video, like and subscribe. And now we have the hearts ones we did with the milk. This was for Tono, guys. So if I will try it out, I will want to make some chocolate with it. But it's comment down below if what you think this is. If you
Do you like it?
yeah, it's really good when you add the sugar to it. But we are not adding the sugar to it, the milk.
You're just using white chocolate.
So right now we are only going to use 5 because the rest would take a long time. So we'll get these Smarties and put it on top